आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि YouTube चैनल किस तरह बनाया जाता है, हाउ टू क्रिएट YouTube channel. Okay, go to Google and search here the create Gmail account. Yes. Google account for child, then choose this. Okay, first of all choose this, and then here you click that create an account. Close the other tab for first, then choose here your name, like I choose here Proud. So solution Proud. Okay, solution Proud. Like something here, birthday, like you choose your correct date. When you have forget your password, then this will be helpful, whether they will match your account with your this information. Okay, and remember this information. If you want to choose from this, okay, if you want your own, then click create your own Gmail account, Gmail address, मतलब अपना Gmail address. Okay, if you want to create your own Gmail account, then choose this option number 3 and choose the perfect Gmail for you. Like I choose capital P, Proud Solution, SOLUTION, Proud Solution. Then next, this username already taken, so you can choose another Proud Solution or some number, add some number like Proud Solution 01. Okay, then next, yes, this is good. Then choose here password. You remember that your caps locks must be off. Yeah, now good. And choose here your number, like I have some number like something to if you unable to scroll down, then you choose here your country code, like +1. Yeah, here automatically country change. उसके बाद आपके मोबाइल पे आएगा वेरिफिकेशन कोड, वो आपने इधर एंटर करना है. उसके बाद आपका अकाउंट वेरीफाई हो जाएगा. अगर इस नंबर पे आपका पहले अकाउंट बना हुआ है तो फिर आपको नंबर चेंज करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वो नंबर आपका चूज नहीं होगा. रिकवरी ईमेल, ऐड रिकवरी ईमेल that recover your account when you forget anything, or choose any email. If you want to skip, it's optional. Okay, then next, then you can use this info when you need to sign in. Okay, sign in. Then next, then go to I agreed, more option. And if you want anything deactivate, don't save my web app activity and my Google account. Choose this, don't save my web address activity and Google. For this don't track you even anything more. Send me occasional reminder for these settings. I agree. And you are now able to make any account on this. Turn on synchronize and choose your color and done, and add your YouTube channel here easily, like I choose here and go to create a channel. allow, if you want to allow on a block, create a channel. Here select picture from your even from computer. Okay, this is the our signature DP, and channel name solution proud. If you say when you thinking about the name of your channel, then next video is about how to create a best searchable name for your YouTube channel or unique YouTube channel name that may be searchable. ओके इस टॉपिक पे वीडियो आ जाएगी, लेकिन इससे पहले आपको कमेंट करना पड़ेगा कि वीडियो चाहिए, मतलब यस का कमेंट आपने कमेंट में लिखना है. ओके, टेक केयर.